Welcome to Driftwood and Shine. We are going to make us a shabby chic flag, guys. I've got some red and white stripe. I got some blue and white stuff that looks mostly white. Some blue jean stuff. Some flowers and our board. So and this is just a Dollar Tree board. A chunky slat, but it was given to me by one of you. Guys, this is going to be so simple, but very, I think, cute. Cute. Okay, I'm not even going to paint this. Not even going to paint it. We're going to start by all we're going to do is do our hot glue across here first. Then we'll have enough to hot glue up there because we're going to leave enough. Matter of fact, it might even go a little bit around behind it. Now, we may have to paint our ends when we get through, but we're going to worry about the ends when we get there. To start with, we're just going to put us a couple of streaks of hot glue. And we're just going to lay our material down. Then I'm going to put a little bit on top of it because I'm going to overlap it. Just to kind of make it. And I've kind of got me, see, I'll just leave it all that length behind. Don't mess around letting my glue set up. That's okay. Then we're going to take some of the blue and white. And guys, this is Dollar Tree material. So cheap material. And all I did was cut just little slits in it and then just ripped it. Just ripped it. I'm just trying to make sure that I do overlap though, because I want them to overlap on the top. And I'm hoping I even have enough board. But it'll be alright, right? We'll make do. But I do want you to, or myself, I want to overlap them. And I'm just taking material, making sure I got the front side up. That would be a very important part. Of course, this material, when you do it like I've done it, it tends to curl. So if you want your flag after we get it made, if you want it to be straight all down here, you're going to have to iron it. Because this stuff, when you do it like this, it just tends to curl on itself and then curl around and, you know, all kind of crazy stuff like that. Man, guys, that cake was good. I'm going to share a reel later of where Sonny tried it. Cake. Dump cake. I guess you'd call it a dump cake. It was good. Okay, let's go back to our blue. And I'm overlapping. Whoops, I about didn't leave that one long enough. Partially overlapping because this little board is so short. If we don't overlap, we're not going to be able to get all of our stuff in because I wanted at least 2 pieces of the material. Just so that when it's hanging, you can tell the red stripe and the white stripe and the red, white, you know, you can be able to tell it. So I got me a new bracelet today, guys. I love it. At a boutique that was going out of business. Well, they're not going out of business. They're selling out of their in-stock stuff. But on this bracelet, it says warrior. And I'm wearing it in honor of being a prayer warrior. Love it. I think that's pretty cool. See how that one was curling up on itself? I don't know if y'all could tell how curled that one right there was. Don't need the lighter color. Oops. About put it down upside down. Did everybody have a good day? I'm going to tell you the truth. I about overdone it today. It was the first day. Everything looks dried up enough. Sonny said that she thought it'd be okay if I, you know, got it out a little bit. And I just about overdone it. Let's see how many more I've got to do. I've got to make a, whew, we're going to have to go really close. Because we got to make it last. So I just about overdone it. I'm going to go back to my blue and white again. Probably should have overlapped those first ones a little bit more, but that's okay. We're not going to worry about spilt milk. We'll get it. We'll get it in here. I think it's going to be so pretty in my mind anyway. It's pretty in my mind. At least there'll be two hanging down, so we'll be okay. I was over there helping Sonny and them cook supper, and it was so hot. Look here. A little bit there. Glue that down. There's Boo Boo. You want to come say hey?
I look probably terrible.
It's all right. I look terrible too with this hair that's done sweated and sweated and sweated. This y'all's hair. Oh, that's me.
Baby!
You did that?
Oh, don't do me like that. I
Well,
thought
hurry
something was coming for me.
It was coming from me, not you. Get that.
Baby, need you to. Okay, don't talk to me no more. I just want to go to bed.
It's all right.
I thought
Okay.
something was
Now
really
I'm just going to turn everything. See, I've got it just turned toward me. Then we're just going to go ahead and put the whole shebang up here. And then we're just going to turn it under. Turn it back up. Just like that. There we go. Just kind of push it down. Then we'll do the same thing right here. And we're just turning it down. Just like that. That one didn't get any glue. Put him down. There we go. Now, see what we have? We've got our shabby chic, and they're not all the same length. That was planned. I wanted it to be, you know, shabby chic. That's the whole point. Now, I love it. So pretty. Now, I've got me some blue jean pieces here, and they're not all the same length either. But what I'm going to do, I'm not turning them under. We're just going to, we got to glue them to right here. Yeah, right there. And we're just going to simply just put them on there and glue them right up. Oops, got to get my other glue stick. We're just going to glue them right up there at the top. Because I want them to be like the rough and whatever show. I don't want to hide any of it. And all these are not going to be the same length. I don't want them the same length. I hope they're not anyway. I didn't measure when I was cutting. I just kind of cut willy-nilly. So I'm hoping they won't be the same. Ouch. But you know what? Glue's hot, guys. Ouch. Whew. that while ago, that's kind of how our days went. Just kind of wild. I know I gotta stop right there. That short one, fill that in. Now, that's our blue part of our American flag. You can see it's just kind of all levels, just shabby chic. And like I said, now we can paint that white if you so choose. I don't mind it being wood, so. Okay, now for our stars, we're not really gonna have stars. We're gonna have maybe 3 flowers, but at least 2 flowers. And we're going to use these. And we're just going to put it right up here at the top. I'm going to let it kind of hang over. And let's see how we want the rest. Oh, just like that. Or do we want it just like that? No. Kind of like it like that better. Okay, so that one will go right there. And then this one will go right here. Just shabby chic. And look how quick we stuck it together. I mean, bam. Now, I did have to tear the material. But that didn't really take that long. I don't have a piece. Yeah, I do. I have a piece. For those of you that may not know what I'm talking about, I'll show you. Okay, you just unroll it all the way. And I just take my little trusty loving scissors and I just cut me some slits, however big, and I don't even measure those. It don't really matter. And then you just tear it. So easy. Most of y'all, I'm sure, knew that, but just in case somebody's watching that didn't. So simple, easy. So it doesn't take any time to do them. But here we go, guys. Martin. Come here and say hey. Y'all gotta learn to know Martin because he's gonna be around hopefully now.
Hey, how y'all doing?
That's Jeff's nephew. So, there we go. And he's saved, guys, and on fire for the Lord. He's a good youngin'. Okay, there we go, guys. There's our little flag. Now, you know what? I didn't even think about bringing the thing. Oh, I know what we can do. I know what we can do. Look, look, look. I've got some longer strips of blue jean because I cut all my blue jean. They are all about the same length, but then I took that and cut it up without paying attention to how I was cutting it. Yeah, guys. It's almost the perfect width. Look, almost the perfect width. So we're gonna glue that up real good on the end. Stick our piece of blue jean where it's covering up most of it. I should have went under it, but that's okay. Then we can take our blue jean over this way, and I don't want it real long, like maybe like that. So then we'll come over here on this side and do the same thing. Then I can just cut off what I don't need. That is absolutely perfect. Guys, woohoo! Look here. Absolutely perfect. And I can just cut this one off, or shoot, we can leave it hanging. Look, I can cut it off. I can cut it off, you know, about the same, some of the same length of the rest of them, one of the longer ones, and we can just leave it. Look at that. That is stinking cute, isn't it? Look at that. All Dollar Tree. The board's Dollar Tree. All the materials are Dollar Tree. Now, the flowers are Hobby Lobby. You can get these flowers in the paper studio section. One little thing's hanging up. And then this is just a pair of blue jeans that Bo ripped the tail out. So I wouldn't let him throw them away because, you know, we need material all the time. So look at that thing. That is awesome, guys. Love it. Love it. And that blueberry dump cake was good too. So I'm going to share a reel of Dusty, Sonny trying it, Wesley trying it, and Martin trying it. And they all loved it. So there we go, guys. Y'all remember the giveaway for our 200,000. Make sure you comment, send hearts or whatever, and if you share, I know some people don't, but if you share, because all of those count. We will be drawing one name from a share, one name from a comment, and one name from an emoji every live. So y'all be sure to stay on in it. Love it. Yay. All right, guys, I love y'all. I'm fixing to go in there in the bed. I got a little bit of more training I want to do on YouTube, so I'm fixing to go in there and do that, and then Lord willing, I'll see y'all in the morning. Lord willing, I won't sleep late. Guys, I have not slept. There's nights that I didn't sleep at all. Like 9 o'clock in the morning, I was still wide awake. So I guess last night my body I guess I'm just tired. I was sick, you know, but even being sick, I just wasn't able to sleep. So now my body's saying I need some rest. So anyhow, Lord willing, I'll see y'all in the morning. If not, it'll be Dusty or Sunny. So we'll be here 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Love you guys.